Hello educators, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. I am thrilled to be bringing you some exciting news today. If you are an educator or have friends in teaching community, you are in for a treat. CBSE in collaboration with Canva is launching a groundbreaking training program for teachers. In today's video, we'll delve into the detail and explore why this initiative is a game changer for educators across the board. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why this collaboration is so significant. The CBSE and Canva have joined forces to create a training program designed to equip teachers with the skill and tools they need for the digital age. In the era where digital literacy is paramount, teachers play a crucial role in shaping the next generation future. This program recognizes the need for educators to enhance their digital skill and leverage innovative tools to create engaging and effective learning experience. So what can teacher expect from this program? CBSE and Canva have crafted a comprehensive training curriculum covering a range of topics from creating visually appealing presentation to designing interactive learning material. The program aims to enhance teaching methods, making education more dynamic and impactful. Canva, a leading design platform, bring it user-friendly interface and creative tools to the table. With Canva expertise, teacher will learn how to integrate visually stunning elements into their lesson, making learning more enjoyable for students. CBSE, in collaboration with Canva, will be organizing Canva for Education program, wherein training session will be conducted for principals and teacher, including orientation session for principal, orientation program for teachers, and workshop for principal and teachers on topic with basic of design, design in education, and digital storytelling. The orientation session for principal will be conducted as per following detail. 12th February 2024, Monday, timing 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Webex link is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. The orientation session will also be streamed live on YouTube channel of Department of Skill Education CBSE. Link for that is also given in the comment section as well as in the description of this video. Note, there is no fees for registration for the program or attending the session. All programs are open to principal and teachers of all CBSE affiliated schools. For more support and query related to program, principals and teachers can reach out to mail ID ashikar@canva.com. As we wrap up, I am genuinely excited about the possibility this training program open up for educators. CBSE and Canva's collaboration is a testament to the commitment toward empowering teachers in the digital era. Stay tuned for more update and let's create a brighter future together. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Let's spread the word and support our incredible educators. Until next time.